Hi everybody, welcome to Time Predicts, and I am doing Aquarius today. I'm doing short videos for all the 12 zodiac signs. This is August overview. So let's see what I want to give a number first. Let's start with the number 7. 7 is going to be important for you. Let's see if 7 also comes in the reading. Uh, let's start with your messages. What all I can say. I'm also going to do the romance angel cards for love messages and all the different cards: money, wealth, health, career, whatever can come to me, relationships. So let's start the reading. These are going to be short ones, in the sense the usual ones, not extremely detailed. So because I'll also do a detailed one day. You know what's going to happen? Like I'm going to take a week long reading and give one card for each day. I think that also people enjoy. So let's start Aquarius. How August is looking for you. Wow, Earth connection. Aquarius is actually connecting to Earth sign, or is kind of right now wanting to ground themselves. Like there's been a lot of energy in July. Like it's almost like August, you want to kind of rest. And also it's like recycling, being mindful of the planet. I feel you're getting a lot of emotions, you're picking up a lot of emotions from others, doing something about the planet. Probably you thought of something about recycling, and you thought, why should I waste resources, something was coming to you. That when it says stay grounded, look, I told you, it says stay grounded here right now. The energy is too much, and it says come back to earth. So you probably have been making plans that do not have any meaning, or you've been thinking too way ahead, probably, and not been backing it up with proper plans. So the spirit guides are saying, just kind of stay grounded right now, and think about the earth, or whatever you think about, have plans, proper plans in place. I get proper plans in place. That's what I get. See, when you get proper plans in place, you get infinite abundance, Aquarius. This is beautiful energy. And this is sorry, I'm just adjusting the laptop a bit so you can get more light. So I feel abundance of a wealth coming in. This is new beginnings. This is new things happening for you. This is a beautiful energy. The more you get connected to earth, the more you stay grounded, the more better plans you make in life, or you probably invest your money more sensibly. More money is going to come to you, a lot of abundance. I also get you probably opening accounts, putting more money in. So 7 is also, imagine, it's a lucky number, because we always say 777, even on the slot machines, or even when we think of a lucky number, usually people say 7. So I think this is really matching, and this is like abundance coming towards you. This is infinite abundance coming to you. There's also a new beginning somewhere. Also, probably you follow Lord Ganesha. I don't know if your name begins with G for God. So I get L also. Probably your name begins with L also, or you're dealing with somebody whose name begins with N. This is like a light activation. This is also shine your light. See, this is probably you having a lot of wealth, you wanting the spotlight on you. I get a lot of gold and silver. I do not know why, but I'm getting a lot of metal, like metal energy. I do not know if you invest in gold. Do you invest in precious metals or stones? But I'm getting a lot of that with this card. It also says share your light, and it says there is a guidance coming to you and will lead you. Your thoughts will be loud and clear. Whatever you think will be clear. There'll be clarity, which is great. There'll be clarity about things. What's another? Oh, that almost flew out of my hand. So keep your communication open with people. I feel a lot of communication with people, talking to people about things. Maybe that's why there's a new beginning. I can see a lot of emails going back and forth. People contacting you. I also got the word contract. Are you getting a contract? People are contacting you. To do something. With them, like a partnership, or probably they'll give you money to invest somewhere. But I feel a lot of money coming in. I do not know. Probably you deal in shares, or you deal in stocks or something like that. But I feel people contact. I feel contacting you. That's the word that I get. Could be a relationship also. So if you think the person has not been really talking to you, or there's been some kind of communication gap, or the person did not have the time, I feel the person is going to start opening up. I get the word opening up with this. I also get communication. You could be dealing with a Gemini also, so there could be a lot of communication going back and forth with this card. Let's see what are the other cards saying. My laptop did go crazy with the Sagittarius ones. So this is also coming out from out in my hand. Stay true to yourself. So stay true to the things that you're doing. Listen also, trust people, follow your inner voice. It also says don't compromise. So maybe when it comes to wealth or anything, relationship, family, whatever you want, don't compromise in that situation. Also get the channel words like stepping back. Do not step back right now. This is not the time to go back. This is the time to move forward. It also says don't water down your ideas. So really believe in your ideas. There'll be a lot of people contacting you. Maybe you're very creative, maybe you're doing new things and people love what you do, and you're in the spotlight. A lot of people are around you, I can see. But do not water down your ideas. Like, do not listen to people, and don't do anything that you do not like, or you do not want to do. Because like I said, 7 is the lucky number, is on your side. Things are going to happen your way. Don't gossip too much, or don't give your ideas too much, because I feel somebody is not really going to be on your side about it. So if you really wanted to shine, wanted to be on the spotlight, right now it's not the time to open up your game plan. I get that a lot. Don't open up your game plan for others. Work on it, but do not tell a lot of people, is what I pick up from it. Nurture yourself. Time to take care of yourself. You've been having a very tiring July. August is going to be very tiring also. It's also said invest time in self care. So this is all about investing. It was investing in stocks, wealth, brokers, investing in a company. This is also investing in time. Investing in time, and you need to make time. You need to make some time for yourself, self care, and you need more energy. See, it says you need more energy, because I feel August is going to be a crazy month for you. That's what I feel. August is going to be crazy. You need to express yourself creatively. Others will be looking for ideas from you. I do not know what kind of work do you do, but people will look up to you for ideas, what to do with stuff, and how to do it. So people do look up to you. Yep, something just ending and something starting. I told you guys 7 is important for you. Look at this. I'm going to hold it up for you. 7 is important. It's going to be lucky for you. So remember, whatever adds to a 7 will be lucky. Imagine something just ending and suddenly something beginning. The moment you think one project is not working, the second will come. The moment a door closes for you, a new door will open. Remember this, okay? And things will happen very fast. They will not give you any time to relax or something. Opportunities will keep coming. There's a situation which had to end, will end suddenly. And it'll be good for you. When you see the tower card, people do get worried. They get confused. That doesn't look very pleasing or great. But this is new beginnings, because like we always say, if something is ending, something new will begin. Something new will come to you. Let's see, what are the other messages? Give me the other messages. What are the other messages, guys? Don't mess with authority figures, okay? That's what I get. Right now it's not the time to ask favors, especially if you're dealing with bosses or any authority figure, any government government officer or official, or anything to do with the government. Right now it's not beneficial for you in August. So keep away from all these things. Don't get entangled in court cases or anything wrong. And it's because it's law is not going to be on your side in a way. You're kind of going to lose that battle. So in August, stay away from anything, doing anything wrong, like breaking a law, like probably you're speeding in a car and you get a ticket or something or whatever. But yeah, it's like, don't ruffle any feathers or something, because right now it's not a good time. It's never a good time to be on the other side of the wrong side of law or whatever in the court. So especially if it's a court case, just be careful. I don't want you to mess with anybody right now, because it wouldn't be good for you. 7 is here again. 7 is come in a reversed fashion. So nobody is going to steal information from you. I think that is in your mind. That's why probably I said do not give your ideas, or do not give away your ideas, or do not talk about them in public. So it could be, you have this fear of somebody's going to steal something from you. So in August, that's going to be a big fear. If I tell anybody somebody's going to steal my idea, they're going to, invent something on their own, or, my partner might leave my company and he might, or she might, tell my secrets, or probably will open another company. So I'm getting all those thoughts right now, that this is in your head in August. This is going to happen, you thinking. Let's see, what are the romance angel cards? What are the romance angel cards? I really like green for you guys. You know, August, work with the color green. Wow, reconciliation. This is beautiful. This is your love message. It's safe to love, which means you were a little worried about, should I go back to the relationship? Should I go back to the, you know, should I let past come back into the future, or should be my present? But this is a beautiful reconciliation card, and it's saying it's safe to love. You know, it's okay. Go take that. You know, go. Whatever. However you want to see the lover or whatever special person, go and meet them. You know, it's like if you've been fearing, should I meet them or not? This is meet them, and look at this. This is beautiful. It says express your love. Talk to them, tell them, you know, there's a reconciliation happening right now. So this is beautiful. You're going to tell them how you feel, and they're going to respond in a very positive manner. So if you guys have been really not getting along well, or you've been fighting, and then again you've been thinking about getting back together, you know, that let's forget the past. You know, I get these words. So let's forget the past. So you're going to be lucky in love also. Probably that's why I got the 7. So it's going to be, let's work on the past, and, you know, let's see what's going to happen, and let's move forward. You know, I was trying to give another number, but I really think 7 is the number for you guys. I do not want to give any other number to you guys. So this was your reading. I'll be back again with weekly readings. This was your general reading. Thank you so much, guys. Do hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel if you like my reading. Thank you, guys.